Where's somebody's hair? Where are there all of their chairs?
You have chairs for all the babies?
No, yeah, I did.
Oh no, sweetie.
Where's the chair? Huh. Where's some chairs? Oh, this is higher. We can send this. We can send this.
Well, that's a good idea. That's like a high chair, huh?
Yeah. You can send it here. And send on here.
No, put her inside.
Okay. Inside.
There you go. And lean her back. Atta girl.
And maybe baby could sit in a booster chair.
Okay. Maybe that red one could be a booster chair.
Okay. Booster chair for you. Booster chair. Booster chair for you. I will go see something.